Hello everyone! So in today's video I'm gonna tell you how to extract some of these 18650 lithium-ion batteries from one of these old laptop batteries. So let's get right into it. If we take a look at our laptop battery here, I guess that there are basically two rows of each three of these 18650 batteries in this laptop battery array basically, and so that we should get about 6 batteries out of this. We have to be very careful because these lithium batteries are very flammable and potentially explosive, so we have to be very careful that we don't puncture them or anything or make a short circuit, otherwise they could light on fire and explode. And this is also the reason why I'm wearing a long sleeve lab coat, as well as some protective gloves for eventual mechanical hazards. And also I have a fire extinguisher nearby. So let's start taking this thing apart. So as we can see here, my strategy here is to basically break the weld where the plastics are welded together with a knife and then basically pry everything open with a flathead screwdriver. Of course, while being very careful that I don't damage any of the batteries or that I don't make any short circuit. These bad boys are charged. So this was basically the moment when I realized that the batteries were most likely all charged, which made this entire procedure a lot more dangerous because charged batteries are a lot more likely to catch fire or explode when damaged than uncharged batteries. So let's measure the voltage of these cells to see at what charge level they're at. Oh, wow. So we can see that across all of the batteries we measure about 12.45 volts, which that's actually kind of terrifying because ideally you should only do this when your batteries are discharged. But I didn't know if they were charged or discharged. And as it turns out, all of these batteries basically seem to be at their full charge. So if I would have accidentally stabbed one of these batteries or damaged them, there would have been a real possibility of them actually catching on fire. That's why you should always try to basically take apart discharged batteries because they're way less likely to cause a fire or to explode if you mess up something. And this is what could happen if you accidentally stab one of those batteries or damage them. I mean, you really don't want that on your desk, don't you? So now the only thing left to do is to basically desolder these flat cables that connect the cells together and to cut the tapes between the cells. And there we go. You have now extracted all the batteries and disconnected them. Now let's check what voltage they have, and we can see that each pair of batteries has a voltage of about 4.13 volts, so they're nicely balanced. So now this is basically what we end up with. We have 6 18650 batteries in these pairs of 2 in parallel basically, and we could theoretically cut this nickel strip here to get single cells, but I think that these pairs of 2 could be useful in future projects, so I'm gonna leave them like that. And I'm also gonna keep this BMS for the case that in the future I want to build a 12-volt battery pack or something. I'm gonna keep this. And yeah, and this is basically how you get free batteries from laptop battery packs, because I found this battery pack with a laptop on the streets, and so I basically got all of these cells for free. So yeah, that's quite nice because like one of these cells usually costs like 3 to 4 euros or something, and I got 6 of them for free. So yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. and I hope I see you soon. Stay safe and have fun. I'm out.